Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Ty with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in, remember if you find value at any time during this video, feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave a cool comment in the YouTube section. Let's dig in and take a look at Bitcoin and the equities market. You're wondering, Thomas, why would you want to analyze the equities market when it's closed today because it's President's Day? Well, that's just the US. We have other markets open, or were open, like in Europe, and we still have the DXY and US Treasuries that we can analyze. So let's take a look. Here's Bitcoin, still diving. And what we want to know, in the news, a couple of things that helped Bitcoin moved up. First, there was an announcement that President Biden would meet with Putin if he did not attack Ukraine. Price shot up, and then after that, it was learned that there was some border breaches in Ukraine. There's like Russia said that some Ukrainian troops went across the border, yada yada. Price went down, and then price recovered a little bit, and then Putin recognized the two breakaway regions in eastern Ukraine, and President Biden instituted partial sanctions for people who are involved in those regions. So that dropped the price all the way down to, I believe, roughly 36,800. And that's pretty close to the zone, the 6.5K zone. I mentioned that Bitcoin would retest yesterday. I announced that yesterday, and it came within that zone today. More than likely, it may, if the macro environment continue the way it is with the Russia's potential invasion, it looks like Putin is putting the pretext for attacking Ukraine, and he's following through on that. And we may see price revisit the low 30s within the coming days. As you know, it's President's Day in the United States, so you got the stock market closed, so we don't have anything here. The current green line is today at 6:30 p.m. Normally, that's where the markets would open. So I'm just going to leave it there. Let's take a look at Dixie. Dollar index went down. Right, it went up in the last market opening on Friday. Went up, and Bitcoin dove. So negative correlation held there. And then over the weekend, it wasn't being counted. And then it opened down today as Bitcoin went up. See that? So negative correlation continues to hold. Then now it's going up as Bitcoin is diving. So again, negative correlation continues to hold. The U.S. 10-year Treasuries, it's been diving and it's still diving. Over here is European market and also the stocks 600. STOXX 600, UK 100, we have it diving down because of the macro environment with Russia's invasion potential there. Same thing with the DAX in Germany, same thing with CAC in France, and the stocks 600 companies across 7 countries also diving down. So down. Over in Asia, they're going up in Australia, in Japan, the Nikkei, the KOSPI, this is South Korean. All those three are trending up, and this was before the recent news today. So we'll see what happens. More than likely, they'll react the same way that Bitcoin's reacting, and also European markets reacting. But we'll see. In the Hang Seng Hong Kong index, that's been trending down and continues to go down. more than likely these three, if not two or all three, will trend down after today's news. And let's see what else we got. Bitcoin market, pretty red today. You got Luna up slightly, but pretty much everywhere else is down. This is stablecoin. That's Luna's stablecoin. This is Shiba Inu. It's up by 1.125 roughly. Leo and a couple others. But overall, I'm pretty red in the crypto market. To summarize, pretty much down market throughout crypto and equities market where they're open, with the exception of Asia and Australia, some of Asia and Australia, but more than likely they'll react the same. Dixie's going up. Negative correlation holds with Bitcoin as Bitcoin dives. And I believe the situation in Ukraine and with Russia wanting to invade them, the pretext is in place, and he's moving forward. And the tentative meeting between Biden and Putin is very unlikely, and I think it's going to go forward, and that will drive the market down further, and Bitcoin may revisit its low 30s, and if the situation gets worse, it'll revisit the high 20s, if not mid 20s. I appreciate your time, and if this video and content helped you or you found value, feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave a fun comment in the YouTube section. Appreciate it. Peace.